Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, imagine you're faced with a problem. You have a damaged JPEG file on your hands. It's a common issue, right? The file is corrupted, but you're trying to figure out if there's any way to salvage it. Well, that's the problem we're diving into today. Now, let's talk about the solution. Here's the deal: you can determine if a JPEG file is beyond repair by looking for the absence of JPEG data. What does that mean? Essentially, if the entropy of the file doesn't fall within a certain range and you spot invalid byte pairs, then it's likely not a JPEG file. Checking these factors can give you a good idea of whether the file is recoverable or not. See, solution in action. To wrap things up, remember that the presence of JPEG data is crucial when it comes to recovering damaged files. By analyzing the entropy and looking out for specific byte pairs, you can make a more informed decision about the file's condition. So, keep an eye out for those key indicators to determine if your JPEG file can be saved or if it's time to move on. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you found this video helpful in tackling those pesky damaged JPEG files. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy file recovery adventures!